Hello, welcome to this video. Welcome to this What's in My Nappy Bag video. If you're new here, my name is Bree. I am a first-time mum. I had my baby girl Kiani just over 4 months ago now, which is absolutely crazy. I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what I have in my nappy bag. To be honest, I feel like I pack quite minimally. There's so much more that I could bring, but this is kind of what I bring every day. My nappy bag is just over here. This is the OiOi Nappy bag, and I am freaking obsessed with it. I've literally been using it non-stop for 4 months. Actually, no, that's a lie. I've literally been using it before she was even born as well, because I actually use this as her hospital bag. So that's a good little tip, is to use your nappy bag as a hospital bag. As I said, this is the OiOi Nappy bag. OiOi is an Australian brand that was founded by a lady named Lisa. She actually founded this business because she couldn't find a nappy bag good enough. So she created a business to, I guess, help with that need. And this is actually the #1 selling nappy bag in Australia. So you know it's good. Not only is it absolutely gorgeous, but it's actually really practical as well. It has so many pockets, compartments. I'll go through all of it for you. This particular nappy bag is called the Signature Nappy Bag. I opted for the oak color because I think it is just beautiful. I'm a beige girl at heart, but they have so many different colors. They've got black, they've got green, they've even got this really beautiful tan color. Oh, and something I want to mention, when you purchase the nappy bag, you actually get free accessories. So you actually get this changing pad. I used this for about 3 months, and then I got another changing pad, which I'll show you once I open the bag. But this is what it looks like. It's like really good material, really comfortable for babies too. It also comes with this insulated bottle holder, which I've used to hold bottles as well as teething toys, just to make sure that they're not getting bacteria from other products. And then it also comes with this clear little pouch. We use this as Kiani's like documentation case. So like when we went traveling, we put her birth certificate in this just so that it was nice and secure, and this plastic's really thick, so we knew it wasn't going to get damaged. First of all, let's go through the top compartment. This literally fits so much, and I haven't even filled this nappy bag to the brim. There's literally so much space. So this is inside my nappy bag. A laptop can fit in here. So if that gives you a bit of a visual on the size of this bag, this is the biggest compartment. There is a little zip here, and in this little zip, I have these straps, and these are actually pram straps. If you want to, you can actually attach these straps to these little loops here and then hang it off your pram, which is so good because the space under your pram is like prime real estate, and you just need to keep that nice and freed for other things, especially if you go shopping. Oh my gosh, it just fills up so quickly. That is fantastic. So I keep those little straps in there in that little zip compartment just in case I need them. Underneath that little zip compartment, it's like a little pouch. I have some clothes for her. So I've got a little onesie. I think it's so important to pack a little onesie because we all know babies love a blowout. I also pack a second outfit because I've mistakenly only packed one extra outfit before, and we've gone through what she was wearing and the extra outfit. So learned my lesson, and then I packed this little leotardy onesie, and then also in that little pocket I have this wet bag. This was just from Amazon, and it just holds all her blowout clothes, and it's reusable. Okay, the next thing I want to share, for the last 3 months, as I mentioned, I was using this. Fantastic, that's all you need. But I found that when I wanted to go change her, I would have to rummage through the bag, find my wipes, nappies, creams, and like I'll be taking a handful of products and things to the bathroom with me. Because you're holding multiple products, it's hard to hold that as well as your baby, and it was kind of a handful. But a new addition to this nappy bag that I got was this changing pouch. And look how beautifully and easy that just removes out. So if I need to change her, if I'm like out in public, I can just grab this out of the nappy bag and go change her, which is so good and has everything that I need. This is actually by OiOi as well, and it's the nappy changing pouch. Basically in here I've got nappies, of course. I really love the Huggies brand. I think they're the best brand that I've tried. Next is this changing pouch. So this is a bit different to the other changing pouch. It's actually a lot better quality. It's made out of faux leather material, so it's so easy to wipe down. It feels awesome. It's actually a lot bigger than the other one. I don't know, it just feels more luxurious, and it just like folds up really beautifully. Like So nice. I think it's even like a little less bulkier than this one as well. And then next I have is like a little wipe dispenser. This is from Huggies and it's just really easy. Just flip that out and pull the nappies out. And you can refill it by opening that. This changing pouch actually came with its own dispenser. To be honest, I haven't really used this because I have been using this for the last 3.5 months. And so I'm kind of used to using this, and I figure maybe I could actually use this for something else. Like when she's older, I could even put like pens and pencils and paper and stuff like that in there. So that's kind of what I'm planning on using that for. But if you buy this pouch, it comes with that, so you won't need to get one of these. And then in the back, there's another little zip, and in here I've got some hand sanitizer. I've got some Nappy Rash cream, which is the pseudo cream. This is the only cream that I've found actually really works, and I literally am obsessed with it. It's really good. Would recommend trying this out if you haven't. And then of course I've got some like little nappy scented bags. Also, something that I'm excited to do for this is if we go out to like a nice restaurant, I don't have to bring like the whole backpack. I can just bring this as like a cute like clutch and I could like fit my phone and wallet in the back here and like bring some toys or something with her as well. We love. Okay, back to the nappy bag. In this compartment, I've also got a terry towel. This is just from Kmart. You can get like a pack of 12 for, I don't know, 12 bucks or something, really cheap. I literally use this more than a bib, to be honest. I'll put this over my shoulder and like burp her with it, and yeah, it's just like really versatile. Next thing in here is a little swaddle. I usually bring a swaddle or a blanket in my nappy bag, just depends. Recently I've just been having swaddles because we're in summertime, so a swaddle's good. This is, what's this by the brand? Kaiser, just a really pretty print. Okay, next I have some little toys. These are some of her favorite toys. So we have this giraffe. This is Sophie the giraffe. This is actually a really cool product. So basically it's the baby's first sensory development toy, and it stimulates each of the baby's senses. So you can use this from 0, and we've literally used this from 0. It's so good. The dark and contrasting spots all over her body provides visual stimulation. Her squeaker keeps baby amused, stimulates her hearing, and helps her to understand the link between cause and effect. She's very flexible and has lots of parts for baby to chew on. She's perfect for soothing baby's sore gums when teething, and it's completely safe, which low-key my baby is teething, so this is like coming clutch. She's perfect for baby's small hands. Her long legs and neck are easy for baby to grip. The singular scent of natural rubber makes her very special and easy for your child to identify. This isn't sponsored by this giraffe company at all. I just wanted to share it with you because it's actually like such a cool little toy, and my baby absolutely loves it. She loves it. And her second favorite toy is this little, I don't know what you call it, the crinkle books, the Very Hungry Caterpillar. She loves this. This is great for travel as well because it doesn't like play music, so it's not going to really affect other people around you. And then I can also kind of read to her. So next in the bag there are these little pockets here. There's 2 pockets. One of the pockets I have one of those muslin wraps. This is great for like pram walks or shielding her face from the sun. It's also good as like a little breastfeeding cover up if you are uncomfortable with that. I'm not really uncomfortable with that breastfeeding in public, but like in certain situations I do get a bit uncomfortable. It just really depends like who I'm with and also like where in public I am. In the last little compartment here, that little one here, I have some teething toys. So I've got 2 teething toys that Kiani loves. First one is this little teddy bear. This was a gift for Kiani and she loves it because it's like flat, so when she bites on it, it really helps her. And the second one is this one by B-Box. This is really brilliant because it's got a little hole here, so she can actually fit her hand in here, and then she can grab that and it stays on her wrist, but it doesn't restrict her hand movements. And then this isn't a teether toy, but I also have this in here. This was a little gift from parents group that we got, and it's just like a little shaker. And I've actually watched Kiani with this, and it's actually really helping her motor skills in actually grabbing objects because her hands can like just hold it. They're so little. So that's everything in that big compartment. As I said, that is heaps of stuff that I can fit in there, but I can fit so much more. You saw that I wasn't even full. Okay, on the top here, I have this dummy case holder. In here, I have her dummy. The dummy that we like to use is by Nook. This is great. I believe orthodontically, this is one of the best dummies you can get for your baby. And then we have this little clip that can clip onto clothes so that if it pops out of her mouth, it doesn't fall onto the floor. And this little dummy case is from Amazon. It's awesome, and I can't believe it actually like matches the color of the bag. I know OiOi does have dummy case holders and they're really beautiful and really good quality, but this just does fine for now, so I'm happy with that. I don't want to add more products to the environment, if that makes sense, if I have a perfectly good working product there. Next thing I have in my bag is a water bottle. If you're a breastfeeding mama, you know, literally I go through so much water a day. Ridiculous. This water bottle is just from Kmart. Super simple, super pretty, super cheap. It's insulated, kind of. I don't know if it's like properly insulated, but it does keep the water semi-cold. We love her. So these bottle holders on the side are actually insulated. So if you have any bottles in here, it just keeps it at the right temperature. This bag does have them on either side. So I always have a water bottle on one side, and then on the other side, I have taken express breast milk, and the insulation just keeps it like at the right temperature, which is fabulous. Next up are these two pockets. So in this section, it's mostly a me section. So I've got things in there that I need and that like I will use daily. I no longer bring a handbag with me. I literally just put everything I need in this little compartment. So let's go through it, shall we? So in here I have my sunglasses. I have two lip balms or lip oils. This one is by MCO Beauty. It's a lip oil, and then this one's by Merit, and it's a shade Slick in Mapleton. And then I have my wallet. I love having a small wallet, but if you have a bigger wallet, it does fit in here as well. Then I have my car keys, and I also carry like a little perfume just to keep smelling fresh. This is by Who Is Elijah, and it's his or her perfume. Who Is Elijah is such a beautiful brand. I hope that didn't get on the microphone. Don't tell my husband. Yeah, that's in that little compartment. Oh, it also does fit my phone. So I usually put my phone in there as well, but I'm using my phone that has like notes about what to talk about in this video. And then the last little pocket here is all of Kiani's little accessories and things that I need to like quickly be out of reach for her. So we have Infocol. She's a colic girl, so she has really bad colic, and we literally use this every feed or else it's not a fun time. Yeah, so I take that with me in my nappy bag. I have a little bib in here for her. I have some little socks. It's always good to just have some little socks on hand. I have these sunnies. Aren't they so freaking cute? Like, I'm sorry. They're so freaking cute. And then I've got a little hair bow here for her as well. It's the best having a girl because you can put all these like cute little bows on her and like dress them up really cute. And then I've also got a hat. This time I have a beanie in here, but usually I'll have either a beanie or a sun hat, just depends on the weather. But we went out the other night and so I took a beanie because Melbourne weather, it does get chilly at night. I can't with these little, she looks so cute with them on, like, I'm sorry. What I love most about this bag is that I can definitely see myself using it when we have another baby, and if we're lucky to have another baby in the future, as there's so much extra space available. And I also love that it is a backpack. So you can literally just have on your back and have your hands free. You need your hands when you have children. I've definitely learned that. I also love that the straps are super padded. So if it is heavy with all the stuff that you're bringing, it just doesn't hurt. It's just like super comfy, and the back's padded as well. So if you have anything inside the bag that's like sticking into your back, you can't feel it because it's like nicely padded, which is awesome. The straps are also adjustable. So if your husband's wearing it or someone else is wearing it, you can just adjust the straps, which is so easy. But yeah, I absolutely love the brand OiOi. I'm so obsessed with my bag, and I do want to thank them as well for partnering with me in today's video. They're literally a dream brand to partner with. As you've seen in all my previous vlogs, I literally wear this snappy bag to death. So I'll definitely leave all their links down in the description of the products that I have and some other things that I recommend you to purchase as well from OiOi, because they have a few different styles as well. So if this isn't your cup of tea, they've also got a smaller backpack and a different style as well. But yeah, I'm obsessed with her and she's gorgeous, isn't she? So yeah, that's everything I have in my nappy bag. Let me know in the comments what you keep in your nappy bag and let me know if I've missed anything that I should be keeping in my nappy bag. I just wanted to thank you for watching this video. Hope you're all doing well and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.